What is up, Nerf Nation? I'm Naptown Nerf, and today we're doing a review on the brand new motors from Out of Darts, VALKYRIE and Kraken. Alright you guys, these are both 130 3S motors. They are really awesome. I'm so excited about these. As we know, we have some awesome 2S motors from Foam Blast. They have their Michelle 2.0 motor, which is similar to this, but this is a 3S version. And then, of course, they have the Fang revamps, probably my favorite motor right now, and now we have a 3S version of that. So that's really, really cool. And these are going to get probably similar numbers, and they're probably also meant for similar applications to those. This is meant for more of your super stock HVZ level game in your, standard crush to maybe mid crush level cages. Very reliable motors, obviously both of them, but this is meant to last for a very, very long time under extreme stresses. And if you're gonna push that like 41.5 millimeter level and full auto and whatnot, this is probably where you want to go. If you're interested in like just an HVZ level blaster, maybe this is more the option for you. So both awesome motors. These have 26 amps of stall current, so very reasonable for what they are, and these only 14, so that's pretty cool. These have really strong neodymium magnets, so that's on there. They're just as strong as the Fang revamp motors, so that's really, really cool. They have ball bearings in them, so they do have that raised level there, so some cages may need a spacer for these to work with them, just like the Neo Hellcats and the Fang revamps. These do not, so these should work in everything, no problems. So that's pretty cool. Now, these are definitely worthy of a full auto build, but we will be testing in a Strife today. But I do want to let you guys know that these should get you about 10 darts a second if used as a pusher motor, so that's really cool also. Alright you guys, we got these wired up. We're ready to throw them in the Strifes and test them out. I just want to say a big thank you to my man Striller for printing these off for me. Without him, I wouldn't have cages to put these sweet motors in to review for you guys. So big thanks to Phil Striller for printing those out for me. Much appreciated. The VALKYRIE motors are in the 43 millimeter OFP cage with the high crush worker wheels, the white version, and the Kraken motors are in a 42 millimeter cage with the black high crush worker wheels. So I don't think there's too much difference between these two wheels. These might be slightly higher crush than these, but I'm not 100% sure. Pretty similar setups. Obviously this one's a little higher crush than this one because this has the more powerful motors that can handle that kind of crush and has the higher torque to be able to handle it. So that's cool. And then obviously this is more of an HVZ style setup. This should hit around 130, I would guess. So we will see. So let's take it outside, put it over the chronograph and the range and see what we get. All right, you guys, we have the VALKYRIE motors in that 43 millimeter OFP cage, and I've gone ahead and charged up this sweet little 3S LiPo, but it's really not so little because this is a 65C 130 burst LiPo that is a 850 milliamp LiPo. So I really like this thing a lot. I'm trying to get Out of Darts to actually carry this in his store, as it's often out of stock on Hobby King, and I just sold one of my LiPos, so I really need to get some more of those. So hopefully they'll either come back in stock on Hobby King or Out of Darts will start selling them. But we'll go ahead and fire some shots off. $131, $130, $132, $134, $136, duplet $136, $135, $138, $138, $134. Mid 130s there. That's pretty impressive. If you want to run this at indoor that's got that hard 130 cap, I would recommend using a 43 millimeter cage with not high crush worker wheels. Probably like a Bulldog flywheel, or Cyclones maybe even be okay. I'm not sure. But yeah, that was maybe just a little too hot actually for indoor. It surprises me. Very good numbers. All right, you guys, let's unleash the Kraken. If you guys get that reference, please let me know in the comment section below. I just had to say it. But we'll go ahead and put 10 more shots over the chronograph. These are AccuFake darts that we were testing today. So here we go. This is a 42mm cage with those black worker wheels. Here we go. 137, 149, 153, 140. Woo! Head came off that one. 142, 142, 107, 138, 142. Woo! Man, those boys are super loud. If you don't like loud motors, these may not be for you, but those are screaming and they are definitely cracking. That is awesome. Pretty good performance there. Mid to upper 140s when the heads didn't fly off, and this is pretty high crush, so that's going to happen from time to time with something like this. But yeah, that's something else. Let's go ahead and check out those ranges. If I was smart, I would have used 2 different types of darts, 2 different colors, but I ran out of most of my darts actually at Indoor, so these are what I have left. But we got most of these are from those VALKYRIE shots in the mid like 70-foot range, which are pretty darn good actually. And then some of those ones with the Kraken motors went around that 70 to 80-foot range, and then a few up here closer to like 90 or 95. So even one probably up here around 100 feet. So yeah, you can get pretty good performance with the Kraken motors with a high crust cage, but you will have more inconsistency because of that. But very good performance, very impressed with these motors. I can't wait to put them in something sweet, some sweet build. Hope you guys enjoyed this little review of these 2 motors. Definitely check these motors out. You can find them obviously at Out of Darts Etsy store, along with foamblastshop.com and containmentcrew.com. I love all 3 of those shops. They are highly recommended by me. They are just the greatest people, and Foam Blast was actually the ones that sent me these motors, so a big thank you to them. Hope you guys check these out. Let me know what you think of them when you try them. I think they're pretty sweet 3S 130 motors. They definitely are loud, especially these Kraken motors, and they got some pop to them. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review video. Smash that like button, please subscribe, and as always, peace out.